Here I have DOOGEE X55, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, scroll down to the date and time options, enter them, then you have to select then you have to turn off automatic date and time settings. Here you can change your date, here you can set your time. Also you can change your time zone if you turn off automatic time zone here, and you can also change your hour format from 24-hour to 12-hour format. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.